What up, traders? Welcome back once again to another video on the channel. This is Working Swinger here, and in this video I want to teach you guys when to buy and when to sell in the forex market, because by knowing this it will enable you increase your profitability level on the forex market, right? Just by understanding when should I buy and when should I sell on the forex market, right? I'm going through a lot of beginner basic stuff, so if you are here and you're interested, guys, stay tuned to this video. And also, once you also need to keep in mind is I'll be doing a huge giveaway by the end of this video, right? A huge giveaway by the end of this video. So if you want to be part of the giveaway, stay to the end of this video, and trust me, you aren't going to regret, right? You're going to learn a lot, and at the end, stand a chance of winning a giveaway just by following the instructions I'll give you guys, right? So without wasting my time, let's just roll the intro and dive right into it. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. So in order for us to know when to buy and when to sell in the forex market, there are two things that we need to understand, right? There are two major things that we need to understand. That is the trend of the market. Let me write it down here. The trend of the market, right? The first thing we need to understand is the trend of the market, and the second thing that we also need to understand is the market structure, right? I want to write everything down. The market structure, right? These are two huge important topics that every beginner, every trader needs to master, right? You need to understand trends in the market, and you also need to understand market structure, right? These two topics are very important, right? First thing we'll talk about is the trend of the market, right? Now we have two major trends, right? We have two major trends in the forex market. That is an uptrending market and also a downtrending market, right? Now when you say a downtrending market is a market that is forming a series of what? Lower lows and lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? When you also talk about an uptrending market, what we are also trying to mean here is an uptrending market is a market that is forming a series of what? Higher highs and higher low, higher high, 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 right? So let me even label it very well so that you guys will understand what I'm trying to teach you guys here, right? Lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high. The same thing also happens in an uptrending market, right? In an uptrending market, the market is forming a series of what? Higher highs and what? Higher lows, right? Guys, I want you guys to keep this at the back of your mind. When someone asks you what is the characteristics of an uptrending market, right? You only need to tell the person an uptrending market is a market that is forming a series of what? Higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher highs and higher lows, right? If you're able to understand this and master it very well, trust me, everything is going to change for you in forex trading, right? Beautiful. Now we have labeled our trend. Now we are saying that we have two types of trends in the market, right? We have a downtrending market and we have an uptrending market. And now we are saying that these two markets have characteristics. And the characteristics of a downtrending market is a market that is forming a series of what? Lower lows and lower high. And an uptrending market is a market that is forming a series of what? Higher highs and higher lows. Guys, I hope this is making sense. Even if you don't take anything away from watching this video today, one thing that I want you to take away by watching this video today is for you to understand that an uptrending market is a market that is forming a series of what? Higher highs and higher lows. And a downtrending market is a market that is forming a series of what? Lower lows and lower high, right? I hope this is really making sense. Now we have understood that a downtrending market is a market that is forming a series of what? Lower lows and lower highs, right? Now, assuming the market is trending to the downside, right? And you're a trader and you want to enter the market, where do you think is going to be the best place for you to enter, right? Just by understanding how this market has been moving, right? if you want to enter, where do you think is going to be the best place for you to enter for a sell? This is a question that if you're able to answer it whilst watching this video, trust me, you're on track, right? Now, the best place for you to enter a market that is going down, that is moving to the downside, is for you to enter whenever the market does what? Whenever the market forms what? A lower high, right? That is a prime place you need to enter the market whenever the market is going down. Why? If you truly understand that whenever the market is going to downside, it forms a series of what? Lower lows and lower high, and you entered at a lower low, then it means you're not doing yourself any good, because obviously the market is going to do what? The market is going to form a lower high, right? The market is going to retrace back to form a lower high, and if the market should retrace to form a lower high, obviously you are going to suffer a deep drawdown, and you also not know when the market is going to end the formation of the lower high, right? So if the market should, assuming you entered here, your take profit is here, your stop loss is here, right? Obviously, your stop loss is not going to be more than your take profit, right? So if it's here, it means that the market will take you out before it eventually returns back into the direction that you're anticipating, right? Let me go over it some more time. Probably you guys are not getting it. Now, we've been able to determine the characteristics of a downtrending market and an uptrending market, right? And now we are saying that whenever the market is moving to a downside, there are prime places that you need to enter. And I was saying earlier on that these prime places that you need to enter is whenever the market forms what? A lower high in a downtrending market. These are the locations in which you need to enter whenever the market is trending to a downside. Let me label it one more time. These are the places that you need to enter whenever the market does what? Whenever the market is trending to the downside. These are the places you need to enter. And I was trying to explain to you guys that, right? It is important for you to enter at this level, because if you're able to understand that, okay, yes, the market is moving to the downside, right? So we want to sell, and you should sell at a lower low, which is here. Assuming you sold at a lower low, your take profit is here. Obviously, your stop loss is going to be something like this, right? Now, you see that if you truly understand that the market is moving to the downside, the market is definitely going to form a lower high, and you should enter at a lower low, then obviously the market is going to crash your stop loss before it eventually moves to the downside, right? So as a smart trader, the place that you need to enter, or the prime place that you need to sell whenever the market is going to the downside, is whenever you see the market forming a lower high. That is when you enter the market, right? These are the places that you need to enter for sales in the market, because this is where, one, you have a very good risk to reward, and also you can maximize potential profit, right? Because if you enter at a lower low, the market is just going to draw it down, and you also end up not having a very good risk to reward, because you need to put your stop loss, you need to give a very wide stop loss, so that when the market won't retrace back, or the market won't form a lower high to take you out of the trade. So you need to give a very big stop loss, which also means that you're also not going to get a very good risk to reward, right? But for you to get a very good risk to reward, that is why it's essential that you wait for the market to form what? A lower high in a downtrending market. And these are the prime places that you need to enter. Guys, I hope I'm making sense here. I hope you guys are learning something here. If you're learning something, write yes, I'm learning something. If you also have any question, write yes in the comment section. Yes, I have a question. Then you add your question to it, right? And I'm going to answer as fast as possible, right? The same thing also happens in an uptrending market, right? Whenever the market is trending to the upside, what are the prime places that you need to enter? Now, I believe just by making an example with the downtrending market, you should easily understand when to when to buy in an uptrending market. Obviously, you need to be buying at the higher lows, right? Because if you buy at the higher high, you know that the market is going to retrace to the downside to form a higher low, right? So if you know it's going to retrace to the downside to form a higher low, why don't you wait and enter whenever the market forms what? A higher low. Simple common sense, right? Simple common sense that if you should understand, trading is going to be much easier just by understanding trending and understanding the characteristics of a trending market, right? So these are the places you need to enter, or these are the places you need to buy whenever the market is trending to the upside, right? You need to enter at the higher low, right? Because like I said earlier on, or using the downtrend example, you stand a chance to get a very good risk to reward, and you're able to maximize and milk the hell out of the market, right? The same thing also happens, the vice versa in an uptrending market. Whenever the market is moving to the upside, how do you trade with the trend? You trade with the trend whenever the market is moving to the upside by buying at the higher low, because you know whenever the market forms a higher high, eventually the market is going to form what? The market is going to form a higher low. So why don't you wait for the market to form a higher low before you enter, right? Makes a lot of sense, right? So these are the prime places that you need to enter for a buy whenever the market is trending to the upside, right? You put your stop loss way below. I hope you guys are getting it. I hope I'm making sense. If you have any question, type it in the comment section. If you are understanding, type yes, I'm understanding and I'm enjoying this, right? Yes. So guys, I hope you guys understand. Now the first, like I said earlier on, there are two major things that we need to understand in order for us to know when to sell and when to buy in every market situation. Is by one, understanding the trend, right? Understanding the trend, understanding the flow, and you have also gone through the characteristics of a downtrending and an uptrending market, and you have also gone through when to enter in a downtrending market and also in an in a uptrending market, right? Yeah, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from watching this video. I'm going to end this video here. If you have any question, leave it in the comments section below. Don't also forget to subscribe with XM Broker, the most reliable forex broker in Africa, right? I'll leave the link to XM Global in the description below. Sign up and get 100% bonus. Don't also forget to join my fastest growing forex community, right? Both on Telegram and WhatsApp. Join for free signals and free forex educative content. Subscribe to the channel. Oh, I almost forgot giveaway, right? I said I was gonna do a giveaway. Now the giveaway is very simple. Now I want to add 10 active subscribers on YouTube to my VIP signals, right? And in order for you to become a part of my VIP signal for free, just click the link below, which is XM Global, right? Click the link below, which is my recommended broker. Sign up with them, deposit $100, right? And send me a message on WhatsApp for verification, for me to verify that yes, you've created an account with XM Global and also you've deposited $100. That's all you need to do to stand a chance to be part of this giveaway. And I'll add all these people who create accounts with XM Global to my VIP signals for free, right? For completely free. I'll add you guys so that you guys can also become a part of the winning team. Just sign up with XM Broker. Send me a message on Telegram to verify that yes, you've signed up with XM Global. Let me say that you've deposited at least $100 in your account, and there you go. You are part of my VIP. You can also make some money with my VIP members, right? So if you are happy about this, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.